My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2022 Fiat 500e. This vehicle has done just under 17,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. To the left of our steering wheel, we have voice control as a feature, as well as automatic headlights. On the right, we have cruise control and automatic wipers. Moving on to our screen, we can access media, comfort, smartphone integration, which includes Apple CarPlay, vehicle, and navigation. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of the seats are cream leather and get a good view of our sunroof. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.